This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ellen Zeiger. Beautiful single-family home in Tuscany at Coral Lakes. Very well maintained, this home has a new air conditioner, newer appliances, enclosed porch and complete accordion storm shutters. Floor plan offers a large gathering room with the bedrooms privately separated from each other. The third bedroom is currently used as a den, no closet, but could be converted. A formal dining room for entertaining, in addition to a cozy eat-in area. Window treatments throughout, ceiling fans, professionally enhanced landscaping and more. Coral Lakes is an active adult community with an abundance of amenities and activities including a theater, resort-style pool, tennis, shuffleboard, arts and crafts, card rooms and a cafe. Tuscany offers a satellite pool. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enjoy. For more information, review the details below or contact Ellen Zeiger at 954-234-0920.